Friends, I am Shranti. Today I am going to explain queues in data structure. Uh, Queues in data structure. Here the definition of queue. The queue data structure is also considered as a collection of elements of similar data types that are arranged in linear order. In queue data structure, the elements are inserted from one end and they are deleted from another end. It means if the queue has two ends, front end and rear end. Here, tail or rear end is the end to which elements are inserted in a queue data structure. Head or front is the one end from which the elements are deleted. All over time we use rear and front. Rear is used to insert the elements to the queue data structure and front is used to delete the elements from the data structure or stack. The queue data structure follows FIFO. FIFO is first in, first out, which means that element that is inserted first will be deleted first. If we insert first an element, first that only will be deleted. The process through which an element is added in a queue is called enqueue, and the process in which the elements are removed from the queue is called dequeue. Here the example, this is the rear end and this is the front end. Here we can insert the elements and from here we can delete the elements. Then basic features of queue. The following are some of the basic features of queue data structure. The queue data structure is also considered as a collection of elements of similar data types that are arranged in linear order. In the name itself, queue means one by one. It means arranged in linear order. Queue data structure follows FIFO, that is first in, first out. If we have inserted a new element in the queue and the queue have other elements before also, then to remove the new element from the queue, first we have to remove all the previous elements. We can't remove all the elements at a time. Then here implementation of queue. A queue data structure can be implemented by using stack. Not only with stack, queue data structure can be implemented by using array and also linked list. All the time we use to implement stack using array only because it is the easiest way to implement. Here the easiest way to implement queue is using array. In queue data structure, the head and the tail, it means the front and the rear are the same index, that is 0 initially. Then whenever an element is inserted, tail moves forward. Tail, it means front. If we insert an element, the tail front will move forward, the head is there only. The tail head means rear will be same. The tail thus points to the position where the next new element is inserted, but the head will remain at the same position, that is at index 0. Here some figures to explain how head and tail or front or rear will be used. Consider the following figure in which the head and tail in queue are same at position initially. Initially, front and rear or head or tail will be in same position only. Here we can see this is the head and this is the tail. It means this is head means rear and it is front. In second example, suppose at index 0 we inserted an element, then the tail will move forward. It means if we insert an element into the head or rear, the tail will be moved forward. It will move one step forward. Then another example, as we are inserting elements into array, the tail is moving in forward direction only. It will move forward direction. Here this is head and this is tail. It will move always the forward direction but not with backward direction. And here the basic operations of an queue. There are two basic operations of queue. One is enqueue and another one is dequeue. Enqueue is used to insert an element at the rear end and dequeue is used to remove an element from the front end. Here we can remove the element from the front end. Here we can insert the element to the rear end. This is about operations of the queue. And here we have demo program to insert and delete the elements from the stack. And these are the header files using namespace std, and int is a data type. Q of 4, it means number of elements. Initially front equals to 0 and rear equals to -1. Void insert is a main function which is used to insert an element. Rear plus plus, because we have to increment the rear. Q of rear equals to element, it means element will be stored in Q of rear. Then another function void delete, which is used to delete the elements from the front end. Cout delete front plus plus, we have to increment the front also. Void display, which means use it to display the deleted and inserted elements. Here we are using the loop for I int I equals to front, I less than or plus 1, I plus plus. Then we have to print Q of I, void main. In void main we have taken 4 elements, which means 4 elements to insert. I have taken to insert 4 elements, and after 4 elements I want to display, so we have written display statement. After that I want to delete 2 elements, after that I want to display, then we have written display. Then types of queues, there are 4 types of queues in data structure: simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, GQ, it means double-ended queue. Simple queue, the simple queue is a normal queue where insertion takes place at the front of the queue and deletion takes place at the end of the queue. Then circular queue, in circular queue the last node is connected to the first node. Circular queue is also called as ring buffer because it will be in the form of circle. Insertion in circular queue happens both the ends. Insertion in a circular queue happens at the front and deletion at the end of the queue. Then priority queue. In priority queue, the nodes will have some predefined priority. Insertion in a priority queue is performed in order of arrival of nodes. The node having at the least priority will be the first to be removed from the priority queue. In priority queue, the least priority will be first removed. That is called priority queue. DQ, double-ended queue. In double-ended queue, we can insert or delete both the operations using front and end of the queue. It means in double-ended queue, insertion and deletion operations can be done at the both front end and back end. This is about queues in data structure. Thank you.